Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful Christmas wreath. To begin, gather your essential materials. You'll need a sturdy wire wreath frame, ideally 12 to 18 inches in diameter, along with fresh evergreen branches like pine or fir. Don't forget floral wire, wire cutters, and gardening gloves to protect your hands. Having your decorative elements, such as berries and ribbons, ready will streamline the entire process. Now, let's build the foundation of your wreath. Start by cutting your evergreen branches into manageable sections, about 6 to 8 inches long. Take small bundles of these evergreens and securely attach them to your wire frame using floral wire. Overlap each subsequent bundle slightly, ensuring a full and consistent look. Continue this process, working your way around the entire frame until it is completely covered with lush greenery. With your evergreen base complete, it's time to add those special touches. Begin by incorporating natural elements such as pine cones, dried orange slices, or fragrant cinnamon sticks, attaching them with hot glue or floral wire. Next, strategically place decorative berries or small ornaments to add pops of color and sparkle. Finally, create a beautiful bow from wired ribbon and secure it firmly at the top or bottom, ensuring all decorations are evenly distributed for a harmonious look. Before displaying your masterpiece, take a moment for the final touches. Carefully inspect your wreath for any small gaps or loose decorations, making any necessary adjustments to ensure perfection. Attach a sturdy loop of wire or ribbon to the back for easy hanging. To help your wreath stay fresh longer, you might consider a light spray with an anti-desiccant. Now, find the perfect prominent spot to proudly display your beautiful, handmade festive creation for all to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.